students, Algebra chapter number 2, real numbers is going on. We are in practice set 2.3, sum number 6. Let's begin. Question number 6 talks about simplify the following. In that, question number 1 says that 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3. 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3. See, you are supposed to add the surds. You are supposed to add these numbers. These numbers can be added, but the surd must be same. That means the sign, that is order, is 2. कुछ भी नहीं है तो 2 रहता है, सबको मालूम है. 2 square root. And the radicand is 3. It is common. तो इन दोनों को ऐड कर सकते हैं. Otherwise ऐड नहीं कर सकते. 5 plus 8 is 13 and this root 3 will be common. So these two numbers can be added only if the order and the number is same. Suppose the number is 2. So if this is also 2, then this can be added. This is 1, this is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Cube root of 2. Hope this is clear. The order 3 and the radicand must be same. तो बाहर के जो नंबर रहेंगे वो नंबर ऐड हो जाएंगे and you will get this answer. The next question is 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus root of 125. 5 cannot be factorized. 5 cannot be factorized. But 125 can be factorized. 125. 5 2s are 5 5s are 5 5s are 25 5 1s are 5. So I can write 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus root 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5. That means 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus, because this is square root, two numbers have to be written once outside the square root side. Hope this is clear. Now the order is same, the radicands are also same. You can add and subtract these numbers. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10 root 5 is your answer. 7 root of 48. Can this 48 be factorized? Yes. 48 as 2 24s are, 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are. That means 7. Root of 48 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 minus. Can this 27 be factorized? Answer is yes. 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. 3 into 3 into 3. Minus. Can this root 3 be factorized? No, 3 can be written as 3. So I will write 7. Square root मतलब दो नंबर को एक बार, तो यहाँ से एक 2 निकलेगा, यहाँ से 2 निकलेगा, तो 2 अंदर बचेगा root 3 माइनस यहाँ से 3 निकलेगा, अंदर बचेगा root 3 माइनस 1 root 3. 7 4 is 28 root 3 minus 3 root 3 minus 1 root 3. The radicands are same. Order is also same. That means 28 minus 3 is 25. Minus 1 is 24. Square root of 3 is the answer. Last question of question number 6. 1 root 7 minus 3 upon 5 root 7 plus 2 root 7. So 1 root 7 plus 2 root 7 can be added because root 7 is same and the order is also same. So 1 plus 2 will become 3 root 7 minus 3 upon 5 root 7. Here also there is root 7, here also there is root 7. That means I can subtract 3 minus 3 upon 5. I will get root 7 as common. Denominator is 1. Denominator not same, you cannot subtract them directly. Khachak, pachak. You have to do khachak, pachak. That means cross multiplication. Khachak, pachak. So 3 5 is 15 minus 3 1 is 3 upon 5 1 is 5 root 7. That is equal to 15 minus 3 is 12 upon 5 root 7 is the answer. Easy है, hard नहीं. Now let's come to question number 7. Question number 7 says multiplication. Now we have done addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction में two conditions थे, order and the radicand must be same. Now multiplication देखते हैं. Multiplication में there is no condition. Multiplication में सिर्फ you have to multiply. Now कैसे करना है वो एक बार देख लो तो easy लगेगा. Now सबसे पहला root 12 can be simplified? Yes. Root 18 can be simplified? Yes. Shallow. 2 6 are 2 3 are 3 1 are 18. 2 9 are 3 3 are 3 1 are. Okay. That means I can write 3. 12 के बदले में I can write 2 into 2 into 3. दोनों तकलीफ नहीं तकलीफ into root 18. Instead of 18 I can write 2 into 3 into 3. Any probs? No probs. Shallow. 3 is outside the root side. Square root means writing two numbers once. अंदर क्या बचेगा? बेचारा अकेला है तो घर में ही रहेगा ना. पार्टी जो दो पार्टनर है वो लोग ही करेंगे ये घर में. इनटू वैसे ये लोग दोनों है तो ये दोनों पार्टी करने बाहर आएंगे, लेकिन ये बेचारा अकेला है तो घर में ही रहेगा. Shallow multiply. Now the numbers which are not having any root sign. 3 2s are 6. 6 3s is 18. Any probs? No probs. Root 3 and 2 are under square root sign. Their order is same. देखो ना order same है ना तो multiply कर सकते हैं. 3 2s is 6. So this is the final answer. Next question is 3 root 12 into 7 root 15. 3. Can this 12 be factorized? Yes. 12. 2 6 are 2 3s are 3 1s are 2 into 3 into 7. Can root 15 be factorized? Yes. 3 5s are 15. But factors तो आएंगे नहीं तो ऐसे ही रखो. Shallow. 3 into two numbers once root 3. 7. 3 5s is 15. Shallow. 3 2s are 6. 6 7s is 42. root 3 into root 3. See ये नंबर जिस पे रूट नहीं था उनको मल्टीप्लाई किया. I got 42. ये रूट वाला नंबर है, ये रूट वाला नंबर है, ये मल्टीप्लाई होगा. 3 15 is 42. Is this the final answer? No, this is not the final answer. तुम लोग बोलेंगे सर ऐसा क्यों? Yes, this 45 can be factorized. Yes, this can be factorized. तो पूरा फैक्टराइज करना है, इतना याद रखो. 45 5 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. So 5 into 3 into 3. Okay. So 42. 3 bar under root 5. So your answer will be 42 into 3. 126 root 5 is your answer. Last two questions. 3 root 8. Can this 8 be factorized? Yes. Into root 5. 3 into दो नंबर एक बार अंदर बचेगा 2. रूट 5 के आगे कुछ नहीं, सबका मालिक ए. मल्टीप्लाई 3 2s are 6. 6 1s are 6. 2 5s is 10. अरे बराबर. Any problems? No problems. Next question is 5 root 8 into 2 root 8. Now one thing you must make it clear that when you multiply root 8 into root 8, so root 8 into root 8 will be 8. Root 8 into root 8. That means root 8 into 8. 8 into 8 दो बार है ना? You have to write it once. So when I say root Shahid into root Shahid, answer is Shahid. Root a into root a, answer is a. Root x into root x, answer is x. So root 8 into root 8, answer is 8. 5 2s is 10. 10 8s is 8. This is the answer. We have seen addition, subtraction, we have seen multiplication also. So last is division. So today I am going to take this last part of today's video as dividing root 98 by root 2. Now how to divide root 98 by root 2? It is very simple. Root 98 uchu, root 2 nichu. √98 को फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं क्या? यस, 98 2 49 7 7 7 1. That means I can write 2 into 7 into 7 upon √2. Easy के hard, very very easy. Now because it is square root तो दो नंबर को एक बार तो 7 बाहर आएगा, अंदर बचेगा √2 अपॉन नीचे है √2. कुछ कैंसिल होगा क्या? Yes, √2 will get cancelled. Answer will be 7.
9 का ये बाप रे, और कितने सब करने के 9 के?
Second, third and fourth questions together because these are very simple questions. चलो, √125 upon √15. 125 can be factorized. Yes, करके देखो. You will get 5 into 5 into 5. √50 can be factorized. Yes, 5 into 5 into 2. ओके, चेक करके देखो, ऐसा लाइन करो और करके देखो. स्क्वायर रूट है, टू नंबर्स यू विल राइट वंस. 5√5 upon 5√2. 5 gets cancelled. Your answer will be √5 upon √2. Any props? No props. Next question. √54 divided by √27. Can 54 be factorized? Can √27 be factorized? Yes. 54 2 27s are 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. So 54 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. Chalo, take two numbers once. Inside the bracket you will get 2 into 3. That means you will get √2 into √3. दो नंबर मिलेंगे. यहाँ पे 3 बाहर, नीचे क्या मिलेगा? √3. ओके, 3 gets cancelled. √3 gets cancelled. Your answer will be √2. Done. Next is √310 divided by √5. Can 310 be factorized? Yes. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 5 3s are 5 1s are 31 1s are. So answer is root of 31 into 5 into 2 divided by √5. अभी देखो ना बॉस, ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं. ये दो रूट की साइन लेने से अच्छा है. देखो, तुम्हारे स्कूल का टीचर बोलेगा डायरेक्ट एक बड़ा साइन ले लो और दोनों नंबर्स को अंदर रखो, तो कैंसिल करने अच्छा पड़ेगा ना. तो 5 will get cancelled with pencil, boss. 31 2 is 62, √62. Okay.